Why keep your home loan amount as low as possible? The lower the loan amount, the less you need to repay in interest and principal. This means you'll have lower monthly payments, which can relieve some of the stress associated with debt. With a lower loan, you'll also have more disposable income for savings, investments, or emergencies. A smaller loan typically allows you to pay off your mortgage faster. Not only will this save you money on interest, but it can also free up your finances sooner, allowing you to achieve financial independence quicker. When you borrow less, you're less reliant on loans to maintain your lifestyle. If your financial situation changes, such as a loss of income or an unexpected expense, having a lower loan amount reduces the risk of falling behind on payments or losing your home. Lenders often offer better interest rates and more favorable terms for smaller loans. If you can make a large down payment or reduce the loan amount significantly, you may qualify for a better deal, which can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. The more you put down initially, the more equity you have in your home right away. This is particularly useful if you need to sell or refinance in the future, as having more equity gives you more financial options. By keeping the loan amount lower, you reduce the risk of being in negative equity, owing more than the property is worth. This can safeguard you in the event of a market downturn or if the value of your property decreases.